to go out. Give the fire engine away as they go out. This is our Electric Fire Crew. There goes the fire engine. Two going down the mountain. Right, come on in. You don't know what it is today. Please put your hands together. This is the winner of the 10K from the London Village. This is Guillaume Robert. Dynasty Guillaume. Preston All very closely followed. Behind Guillaume is our first half marathon runner. 5:5:42. Ryan Notes is also half marathon. Make some noise, don't clap your hands, ring your car down. The winner of our half marathon, 1:5:28. Congratulations, this is the winner of the half marathon race. Wow! Congratulations, 1:28 is great. Right, folks, come on, ring your cowbells, make some noise. Congratulations to all of our coaches filling in across the finish line. Congratulations. Jonathan Tyler, Betsy Miller, Arizona Jonathan, Kai Roberts, Leonard Crackerfield, Lily Griffith. The short top in the 10K from Lincoln and Wellington, AC, Ivan Owens. Come on, folks, take some noise, ring your cowbell, clap your hands. Congratulations, Joe Bart, Stevie Herman Davis in the half marathon, John Davis in the 10K, Harry Driscoll in the 10K. Yes, well done, folks, congratulations, Diane LTGs. Wayne Owens, I've got an issue at half marathon. Wayne Owens, winner of the half marathon. From Louis Harris, so put your hands together for Glenn Dynasty Quinn. Winning the half marathon in the 10K, Benjamin Griffith. And James Smith, 15-year-old James Smith, that's good, James, over to you. Marathon is Gwyn Owen. From Louis Harris, Dynasty Quinn. And of course the winner of our 10K was Guillaume Robert. All made on this Dynasty Guillaume. So lots and lots of runners coming in. Congratulations, Gary Wynne Davis, Maverick Smith, John Davis, Louis Harris, Harry Driscoll. In the 10K, James Smith, our 15-year-old dog triathlon representative. Benjamin Griffith from Scotland, Anthony Taylor. From Salford, Harry, Paul Savage from Preston, AC. Paul, one of our regular triathletes, brother Paul. Andrew Savage from Great Western Village. Alan Law, who's put the head runners. Stefan Thayer, Dynasty, Stefan, Leonard Crackerfield. Trouble High, Hannah Madison. Tony Brodo, Beeman in the half marathon has been spotted approaching the finish line, so let's get those cowbells out. Let's make some noise. 5:3:58. There's Ian Matthew, Ian Simon, Emily, Digital, and Casey Reynolds from Bangor University, the winner of the half marathon. Very closely followed by Ruth Hornby in the 10K. Wow, how close was that? Our first lady in the half marathon is Casey Reynolds. Please make some noise for Casey. And the winner of the 10K is Ruth Hornby. Well done, Ruth. Congratulations, both our winning ladies. Oh, Casey is in the 10K. She's got the wrong colour number. Okay, we were confused by that. So our half marathon, the first lady is not in. Okay, so that confused us on the finish line. So Casey did the 10K. So Casey was first in the 10K. She was very closely followed by Ruth, who was second in the 10K. And now we're waiting the winner, the first lady in the half marathon. Okay, Gary Brown, Robert Gary from Team Runners. Ian Orford from St. Helens Pride. Philippa Steele, Stone Master Marathoners. Ian McCreary in the half marathon. Jamie Storm from the 10K. Danny McManus in the half marathon. Jonathan Kessel in the half marathon. David Ellis in the 10K for Cubby Drivers. Gavin Rogerson from Carnarvon in the 10K. Diane C. Gav. Gemma Pike from London to take home, share with the family. If you're that way inclined, or you can just keep it to yourself. They are pretty good, so you might not want to share them. Okay, good. Follow. Next start, who's going to be? Kevin Fitzpatrick, well done Kev. Alan Coleman, well done Aaron, and Ian Edwards. Already highest in the half marathon. Well done Ian, congratulations to you. Sean Kenny Williams, Tri-Fit coaching, well done Sean, carry out, push them all. Sean in the half marathon this year, that's a good performance, well done Sean. Carl Christek from the Stockport Tri-Club, Ashley Smith. Helen Murray from Knutsford Tri, Easy Coach, give Helen a round of applause. Dial C. Helen, 2-7. 5-2-7-3 is Stephen Brown from Lochaber. Wow! Stephen, you've come all the way from Fort Williams to run with us here at the Anglesey Half Marathon. We do hope you've enjoyed yourself. To be well used to the weather. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise because our first female half marathon runner will be with us in a few seconds. So where are those cowbells? Let's ring the cowbells to elect the winner of the Jones Chris Anglesey Half Marathon first lady. There she is, number 1, Ali Lavender. Wow, Ali, what a performance, well done. Fantastic effort. Ali Lavender winning the Jones Chris Anglesey Half Marathon. From Osler Street Olympians, Ali Lavender. Great performance, Ali. 10:22 on our race clock. So 1 hour 22 minutes. John Parkinson, Morgan, to be tried this ISPDA. Ewan Williams in the Hannah Marathon, Darcy Ewan. Tanya Hall in the 10K, Dylan Jones, 10K. Julian Bray in the 10K, Owen Williams already, Darcy Owen, Double Higher Hannah Marathon. Aileen Henderson in the Rebel Dash, that you finished a while back in the day. Donald Quinn, Half Marathon. Liam Billington, Joseph Waller, Jack Rose in the half marathon, James Wilson, Emrys Jones in the 10K, Dave Hughes in the half marathon, Robert Cullen in the 10K, Mark Jones in the half marathon, and Pippa Jones from God Triathlon. Well done you, Pip, congratulations. Finishing the 10K runners here at the Jones Chris Anglesey Half Marathon 2019. Rory Middleton, well done Rory, congratulations from Northwest Road. Daniel Lewis from Piers and Stephen Yates. Ed Roberts, well done Ed, well done Stephen, congratulations to you both. You now have a packet of Jones Chris to look forward to. How good is that? Right, just to end the day on a high, You're all being awarded a packet of Jones crisps. Well done, everybody. Who we got? Dave Chambers, Derry Evans, Dynasty Derry, Alan Holmes, Curtis Fry on the half marathon. Debussy from Denby Harriers is back. Love a Rick. Diane, Sean Ellis, the Cubby Striders, Dynasty Sean. Sean, were you on the launch through the Chester 50 yesterday? No. There were some silly people from Cubby Striders on the Chester 50 yesterday. And the Jones Chris Brown's in half today. That is a good effort. So well done to you guys. Gareth Roberts, Matthew Blaine, Kieran Foley, John Weaver from Middleton Harriers. Jake Anderson, Jim Gunnell, Neil Gillard, Ellen Howard Jones from Cubby Striders, Ellen Ellen, Thomas Jones, Ryan Note from the city of Stoke, and Ryan Roberts, Debbie Rowlands, Andrew Trafford, John Hill from Cubby Striders, Owen Hill, Helen Morgan and Lily Harriers, Peter Lee from the city of Hull AC, Andrew Burke from Shrewsbury, Ian Gibson from Oswestry Olympians, Joe Pillar, Martin Colley, Robert Frost, Thomas Flanagan, Samuel Wadsworth, Roland Thomas, Alex Jones, Greg Cherry, Alana Fenwick from the Running Club, Dynasty Alana, Richard Brown from Nutsford Try, Charlotte Gould, they keep on coming runner after runner after runner to what a day. It is cold, guys. Make sure you get your bag from the Travis Perkins lorry as quickly as possible so you keep yourselves warm. You will be given a t-shirt, you will be given a medal, you'll be given some Jones crisps, you'll be given a can of juice. So congratulations to you all. You are all winners here at Always Aim High event. Fantastic performances all round. Darren Jones in the 10K, Robin Darren, congratulations. Gino Griffiths in the 10K, Andrew Brooker, Joe Baker, Mike Ward, and Mike, congratulations. Oliver Expert, Elena Beacon, Alex Cooper, Ewan Evans, Norfolk Road, Alan Fielding, Michael Green, Lee Pudding, Jennifer Podmore, Seth Davis, Clive Palmer, Mark Fairhurst, Lee Hobson, Jason Thomas, Cubby Striders, Michael Evanet, UK Run Chat Running Club, well done Mike, Dennis Green, Club Head TVC Running Club, Diane C. Dennis, close and all. Paul Goff in the half marathon, well done Paul. Cillian Farrington Newman from Marple Runners, well done Cillian in the half marathon. Malcolm Jones, the Really Harriers, come on you Malcolm, Diane Malcolm, close and all. Malcolm Jones is back. They saw Malcolm when he was off. Every time Malcolm is the last remaining person to have run every single Snowdon race since it started over, I think 42 years ago now. That's worth a round of applause. So put your hands together for Malcolm. There he is, he's run 42 consecutive Snowdon races. He's the only living person to have run them all.
Well done, Brian!
He's here today at Jones 5th Anti-Half Marathon. Malcolm Jones, Diane Malcolm. Plenty of running left in those legs, Malcolm. Right now we've got Richard White, Pete Kirby, Sam Ricketts, James Kelly, Brian Wills is back. Well done, Brian, congratulations. Ellie Beardmore, Rob Evans, Andrew Shaw, Tabitha Smith, Kerry Jones, well done, Kerry. Oh, you did well, did you beat Adam? Yeah, well done. Claire Davison, Daniel Drucker, Draker, Stefan Reese, Luke Hughes, Kerry Evans, Jim Jones, Sarah Williams, Eddie Neal, Catherine Griffiths, Neil Campbell, Matthew Kohler, Alfie Unwin, Ellen Davis, Francesca Motola, Gareth Southworth, Chris Thomas. They just keep on coming name after name after name. Jacob Griffiths, Marilyn Owen, Lucy Parry, Summer Healy. That's a nice name. On a day like today, bringing some sunshine, Robert Summer, congratulations to you. Jimmy Carter, Michelle Morris, Michael Geddes, Lisa Davis, Steve Green, well done Steve, Diane Steve, Is Gamble here? Here they come, well done, ladies, congratulations. Lindsay Story, Michael Pollard, David Phillips, Joshua Winter, Owen Davis, Marcus Arnold, Tim Hayes, Sean Stokes, Bramwell Walker, Nevine Wynn, Diane C. Nevine, Gary Brown, Ian Harper Owen, Cubby Striders, Diane C. Ian, Jason Burke, Cubby Striders, Michael Williams, Barry Owen, Dave Osborne. Wow, I can't keep up with it. I had to memorise the start list before the start of the race today, just so I can remember who all these runners were as they come in across the finish line. It gets quite difficult as they come in so many numbers. I have to rack my brain to work out really on that, but anyway. I only had 2,500 names to remember. So that wasn't bad really, was it? Fran's enjoying a morning croissant in between radio calls and telephone calls, calling Fran. Yes, folks, come on, ring your cowbells, make some noise, clap your hands. They keep on coming, the winners, every single one of them, finishing the Jones Chris Stanley Half Marathon, folks. You can go either side of the finish fence to collect your food and your drink, left or right. You'll make your way around the finish chute and exit to pick up your t-shirt, your medal and your can of pop as you leave. So please make sure you collect everything. So every runner this year's annual half marathon at St. Ken's will be awarded a t-shirt, a medal, Adam Brightman is back. Well done, Adam. Congratulations, that's a good run, Adam. Adam Brightman was with us all day yesterday, building our event clinic. So thank you, Adam, for all your help. He's out there running today. Adam Brightman is back in. So, well done, Adam. Yes, I like the sound of cowbells. Have you got a cowbell? Let's hear it, let's ring it.
Oh yeah?
Emma's probably still got a few cowbells in the shop, so if you want to get yourself a cowbell, pop up to Emma in the Sport Pursuit store. She will get you a cowbell and you can ring to welcome back our runners. Also in our event village, we have the big bubble hat. If you're feeling cold and you need warming up, pop and see the big bubble hat. They can keep your ears warm for you as the day goes on. And as the weather closes in later today, what better thing to have on your head than a big bubble hat?
Well done!
The little food hut there making breakfast for you all, and it is delicious. It's locally sourced bacon, sausages, all that kind of stuff in the little food hut. Absolutely delicious, home cooked food. The property of the little food hut, they will get you some fuel after your run. Also in our event village is Pika, the famous Pika coffee. Caroline is here, serving hot drinks, tea, coffee, hot chocolate. Wow, look at all these runners. Come on, folks, put your hands together, ring your cowbells, let's make some noise. Welcome back. Our finishers are all the winners. But today is James Stanley Half Marathon. What a fantastic day. What a fantastic spectacle to see so many runners out there at the Jones Chris Anderson Half Marathon. 2,500 runners registered for the race today. It was a sellout event. What a fantastic day for it. The wind has held off, so that is great news. The wind has held off, the rain is here, but that is keeping our runners cool as they're out there on their race. So put your hands together, ring your cowbells, make some noise for all of our runners out there at the Jones Chris Stanley Half Marathon 2019. Absolutely fantastic to see so many people here enjoying themselves, coming in over the finish line. Lots and lots of happy runners. Here comes our Cubby Striders, winning the Chester 50 yesterday and winning the Anglesey Half today. What a weekend. Congratulations, guys.
Come on, Sarah! Keep it going!
Hannah Marathon in this morning, George Pitt. Hannah Marathon in this morning. Neil Lloyd and Neil Lloyd are head to it.
Well done, man!
Perché correvano di più da una settimana. A fronte della piazza di Pina, tutto aglio da Solima. Ma che non ha di Maare fino a Serena. Potentially. Congratulations, guys. All winners in my eyes. What a great performance from you all. Remember, red numbers are our half marathon winners. Blue numbers are our 10k winners. Many runners now coming in across the finish line, guys. Come on through. Please move on through. Get yourselves some food, some drink. If you are going to stop and congregate with chat, we'll prefer you do that on the back side of the finish tent. So please folks, make your way through, keep on moving through, past the finish line, making room for all of our finishers. Tymani mwy a mwy o hedwyr yn cwblhau y creative gweld gymaint o bobl yn gysylltu. Hwn wrth gwrs ydy'r mwyaf, y nifer mwyaf da ni wedi cael erioed yma yn y Hannah Marathon oen, dros 2,500 o hedwyr. Ar draws y tri gwahanol ras, yr Hannah Marathon y 10k a'r ras y braid, yr ras y plant. 2,500 o hedwyr yn gwenu ac yn mwynhau fel mae'n hydeg i weld ras y byd etherbyn. Over 2,500 runners competing today at the Jones Pitt Anglesey Half Marathon. All enjoying themselves, looking fantastic as they come in across the finish line. Lots of smiles, lots of happy faces. Well done, guys, congratulations to you all.
She may have taken a bit of a walk somewhere.
Some great performances out there today. Going for the whole 6 miles. Every single one of our winners. Put a hand on people walking home with a packet of the world famous Jones crisps. So help yourselves, guys. Take the crisps. Enjoy. Refuel. Also, a lovely cat tea to take home with you as an memento of today's race. All included in the entry vehicle. Free t-shirt to all our runners. Some lovely medals. Very high quality medals. Awarded to all our finishers today, and of course a free can of pop. So lots of nice goodies for all our runners at the finish of the Jones Pitt Anglesey Half Marathon. Well done, guys. Congratulations to you all.
I doubt them would have taken a coat on.
Earlier on I was trying to name all the runners that came in across the finish line, but we've just got so many people coming in here at the finish that... Come on, we'll see. Ar ôl Williams wedi cwblhau o Gaernarfon. Mae yn Beron.
I heard you, yeah. Go on, James!
We could not keep up with all the names, so well done to you all. I do apologise for not remembering the names. It's just impossible to keep up with so many people coming in. But fantastic to see. Hundreds and hundreds of runners coming in across the finish line. Keep on moving through, folks, as quick as you can.
His tongue would have fallen off, wouldn't he?
So once you're through over the finish line, please move on through as quickly as possible to try and keep the finish area clear for our runners as they come in. So please, folks, do move on through, grab yourself some food, some drink. If you go to the left or to the right hand side of the finish tent, and make your way around towards areas around to the finish, where you'll exit the food depot eventually, where you'll be repatriated with your loved ones. You can head over and get yourself some hot food, some hot drinks from our food sellers at the top end of the village, along with our bottle hats that you can You could buy keep your ears warm for the rest of the day.
Mentioned the word hot. That's what it was. Magic hot water.
So congratulations, Ron Cavacchiato, 50 years, and Couple High. Bedford will be round. Ross between the 7 will be Couple High, Hannah Marathon Day, the 10K. Hannah Marathon Day, what he is Cork, 10K, what he is Glass. The year to Couple High. But Jones, Hannah Marathon and this one, Bolivia and Integral now, we think now that he's been hit, maybe that since the losing in the Champion Cup, but it's the first of our races of the season always in my event. We hope you've enjoyed. In 4 weeks' time, we are in Conway, in Fonditno, for the first ever Conway Marathon. Please join us in Conway for the first ever Conway Marathon in 4 weeks from now. The time now is 10:40. We will try to do our prize series for those people who have prizes. We're going to try to do the award ceremony a little bit earlier in the programme. It's programmed to 12:30. We're going to aim to 12 o'clock because the weather is quite cold. So we're going to go to 12 o'clock for the award ceremony. So it gives you time to go and get yourself changed, get warmed up. Get yourself some hot food, hot drinks. And at 12 o'clock will be the award ceremony for the Jones, Chris, Anglesey, half marathon and 10K. That's an hour and 20 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes from now will be the award ceremony. Right then folks, we need you to move on through please, as quickly as possible. The winners, once you're through, grab yourself some food and drink, and then quickly move on through.